Hey guys, how you doing? It's your boy Jonathan Medina, stay-at-home entrepreneur. I'm super excited today, man. I just found he's ran into a system, man, that is gonna be so powerful. You gotta check this out, man. Hey, you guys already know we have y'all watch my previous videos. It's all about building your business, all about getting out there and learning some new things and getting into all the man. I just purchased this new platform, no new system that I'm using to be able to leverage and get more friends into my Facebook and be able to do automatic messages. I mean, like it's I could get like at least 1,000 friend requests sent out in a matter of minutes, right? Matter of seconds and hours, right? So it's just that simple. So I'm just gonna go give you a breakdown real quick before I go into that feature. I just want to go give you a breakdown about the Bills Club TV because this is what I promote. This is my business, and this is a platform that helps us leverage and bring more people to our and bring our I can't say our business in front of more people, right? So it's all about being able to leverage our business by promoting it and putting our platforms and our websites in front of thousands of people at a time, right? So now this platform, well, the way it works is that we got multiple channels that you go ahead and promote, all these channels are all about entrepreneurship, mindset, coach corners, classic interviews, and so forth and so forth, right? So now I'm going and click right here real quick, and I'm gonna show you how this works. Now, before I go to the feature, man, y'all gonna love this feature. Please don't leave, man. Don't leave. Y'all gonna don't miss this feature, man. It's gonna be a targeting. You're gonna be able to target thousands of people at a time, and it's gonna be crazy, right? So if you don't got too many friends on your Facebook, this is gonna be right for you, right? So now let me go ahead and tell you how easy it is where we can target. Like right now, if I got this right here is 7 principles of success for entrepreneurs. Take notes. So right now, I'll send this right here. I go to Facebook or Twitter or Messenger or pin or anywhere I want to send it to, right? And then if I want to target send it to my Facebook group, I have to multiple groups that I have. I could go ahead and just from right here, just go ahead and comment. I'm putting my little comment right there and just hit and then let it load real quick. Still slow because when I'm recording with this with the recorder that I'm using, is my thing goes kind of slow. So I'm just waiting for it to see if it loads. Okay, right here. So now I could go ahead and post this platform, right? I could post that platform anywhere on my timeline, a friend's timeline, a group, an event, or my fan page or a private message, right? And I can just go ahead and just put whatever I want and send it out. And it's so powerful, guys, where I could do all that. Now, when they go into this, when the best part about it is that when they go into this, of course, everybody likes, I mean, when they see something new, of course, they're going to start playing around, see what they got going on. So they could go to the next channel right here and go check the next channel that we got. Like I said, we got 15 different channels that they could go in and check. So now they go into this one right here, new era of entrepreneurship, success level speech, right? And then, of course, people want to watch these things, man. People are into all this stuff. People that want to become entrepreneurs. And if you want to go ahead and get that trial, you can go ahead and get the 7-day trial to get this platform to go ahead and promote your own business because you're gonna have your own personal your a picture of yourself right here. And I just put test right here for just for training. So right here it says, "Hey John, hey, it's Jonathan Medina. Welcome to the show." And if it's gonna show your name right here, the person that logged in, hey, that way we could connect with our audience. I mean, we connect with our leads. Hey, how you doing, Thomas? Or how you doing, Michelle? Stuff like that. So then they could click right here and go to your Facebook, and then right here they go to your recommended income stream, and then your personal channel. Like I said, your personal channel is gonna be branded to this platform, or you could do subdomains too, where you could do multiple channels and you just keep going. There's a training on that too on my YouTube channel. So if you want to go ahead and just subscribe, and you can keep getting updates of trainings and stuff that I do. I mean, super powerful training that I do. And then right here you go past videos, guidelines, and subscribe. Right. So when people subscribe, once they go into your channel, the most powerful part is that when you send your capture page, your landing page, it's going to go to a channel like this, where it's going to capture more of your leads' attention, where it says what kind of videos you like to watch, inspirational, motivational, how to, live training, interviews, and marketing tips. They'll click on one of those things right there, and then once the best part about it that the system is programmed to send your leads right when they put the information in the because once they click on this stuff right here, I'm going to show you. Right, once they click on that, it's going to go to this page where they're going to put their email and their names on there. So once they do that, the system is going to keep doing follows up with them about what the categories that they pick, if motivational, anything, any of them things that they pick. Right. I'm sorry that I'm sorry my words. Five. It's almost 6 o'clock in the morning right here. Just I ran into this new feature and I just wanted to go ahead and give you guys get into it. Right. So then it goes into here and it'll break it down. And if they want to go ahead and join, they can go ahead and join right here and go into the process of joining, right? So it's that, and then you get the commission for it once you join the opportunity and you offer the system to other people, you get commissions, right? You can get $20 in residual, where every time they pay for the membership, you keep getting paid. Now, let me go in and go to now. I'm gonna go ahead and break down the feature that I've been talking about. right after I just gave you a little detail of how this works, man. It's so powerful. The system's powerful, guys. You get some. I get so much engagement. It's not even funny. And let me show you what I mean by I get so much engagement. And I don't even be promoting it. I don't even be sending it out there like that. And I'm gonna show you why. Let me see right here. See right here. So now I'm gonna show you the power behind the system. Now look at how many people visit my site. And this is a new system that I opened. If y'all see one of my previous videos, you see that I had another page. I still have the other page running. Now you just open up a new account. That way I'm multitasking, man. I'm the type of dude. I'm getting my information out there. So I could, and this platform works in 288 different countries. So imagine how many people could use this. So look at how many people I did yesterday before 12 o'clock, and it's already 5 o'clock this morning. I already got 6 people, and I haven't even been promoting like that because I've been so caught up with this other thing that I'm doing. So I'm gonna go ahead and just give you the feature. So I'm gonna go into my back office. It's called Simple Social Tools. Now, this right here is a powerful tool where you could go ahead and add people. You go add at least 1,500 new ads to. You can send links. I gotta say, friend requests to 1,500 people at a speeding rate. And the thing is that you gotta remember whenever you send out these ads, or when you send these um, friend requests, that you're going to do 1,000 friend requests, right? But the thing is that the system is going to be it's powerful. Let me go ahead and do a tutorial. Let me just do a quick video on it. Yeah, I was doing a tutorial earlier, but I wanted to go ahead and do another one. So this right here is going to be. Let me go into the app. Let me just go into the official app right here. Let me go ahead and just go open up a new Facebook account. I open my Facebook again. That way you can get the full detail how this works, right? So guys, I'm gonna do it real quick. I don't want to take too much of your time. Let me go ahead and go in here. And if you like I said, I'm a real person, man. I'm down to earth. I'm always myself. I train thousands of people to make money online, and I do live trainings and stuff like that. And it's just I have fun with this, man. I enjoy doing what I'm doing. All right, so let me go into my Facebook account real quick. This is my let me see. 'Cause I got several for this business. I'm taking off. So he's got this new feature, right? So now on this page right here, I got. Let me see how much people I got in here. So on this page right here, I got, and I just started this page on October. It's November 16th. And I just started on October, and I already got 500 something people. With, you know what I mean? With the system, it's gonna be more. So I'm gonna go ahead and break it down to you. And if you see, I'm gonna go and show you my other page, and I got things that could blow your mind where you can switch from account to account easier instead of doing all that typing and all that stuff. This thing that you integrate when you join my team, I teach you all this stuff. So now this page right here, right? This is my team members right here. We all teams, man. We building an empire, guys. So if you want to join what I do, man, just go ahead and leave a message below, and then we can take it to a whole different level. It's gonna be on channel 14. If you ever go through my platform, it's gonna be channel 14. So you see right here, I got 4,993 leads already, members. So I mean, with friend requests is where I could go ahead and just send multiple friend requests one time. So I'm gonna show you the power behind the system. So I'm gonna go and do it out of this account. So I'm gonna go ahead and log in to my tool. It's gonna be an icon on this side right here. You see it right here. It's gonna be that icon right there that you're gonna receive. And then the thing is that okay, simple tools. So now you can send invites, right? Invites to your fan pages. Instead of how you gotta click one by one. With this tool, you just gotta do click it down. I'm gonna show you how. All right, so now I'm gonna go to let's see. Remember, it's all about targeting marketing. So if I'm into credit repair, I'm just gonna go and create a free credit advice. All right. So if I'm a member, if I'm into credit, right? Okay, I'll move my econ. So what I do is I work with credit repair. So if it's $47 to join, right now, let me give you a little update that it's gonna be a time offer right now. So $27 because 27.95 for the holidays. So if you want to hop on that, you can hop on that right now. It fixes your credit. You can do multiple things with this opportunity. And not only that, we got a team that help you make sales. If you want to be an affiliate for it too, and you make commissions out of it, it's crazy, man. We got something. So you want to look for a page that got a lot of engagement, a lot of people like right here with a lot of likes, and I'm gonna show you what I mean by that. Let me just go to somebody that's famous. You want to go to a famous person that's getting a lot of This is one of my good mentors, man, and good dude that I follow a lot. Let me see if I see him right here. I'm sorry about that, guys. There you go. I'm going to his page. So he's one of my good mentors, man. He got some powerful things. I'm just gonna go in just for testing. Because remember, I'm an entrepreneur, so I like to get people. I like to show people how to use systems and stuff like that. So I'm going to target people that are looking for ways to make more money, looking for ways to get in there, right? So I'm going to leave this out. So now what I'm gonna target right now is I'm gonna target the people that like this page, right? Like say right now, I'm looking for people that want to get the system, so I'm going to click on that. Once I click on that, this is going to happen. The names and everything's going to pop up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and click on my tab over here, right? And then when I click on that, see right here, it's got 109 people. So now when I click on that, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hit on right here what says add friends, Facebook friends. So once I click on that, you see how this changed. Now when that changed, what's gonna happen is that they got delay, total, and skip. So now on delay, you always want to do a delay of like if you're gonna be in front of your computer like 12 minutes to 12 seconds, right? It's gonna be a 12-second delay, and how many people you want to add. So right now I'm gonna do like as a training purposes, I'm gonna do 10. Now, if you're away from your computer, you want to make sure that you put 20 or 20, 28, 24 and up. Because I mean, you don't want, remember, if you're going to do it overnight where you could go to sleep and let it run by itself, guys. It's so awesome, right? So you could do as much as, remember, if it's 109, you want to make sure you do like 100 or you do like 90 or 80 because not everybody got an ad button. You see what I mean? So you got some of them without no ad button or follow. So you want to do it. So I would like for training purpose, I'm just going to do 10, right? And I'm just gonna do it real quick. And once you right here, you click on it, and it's finding friends. It's gonna find the first 10 people on this list. So it already found 10. So I gotta do is click it again, and you're gonna see. Look, I'm gonna have my hands over here. That way you can see. I'm gonna have my bar over here. I'm gonna have my hands over here, so you can see that I'm not doing nothing else, but just letting the system do the rest of the work. I'm sorry, I'm supposed to click it again. There you go. Now it's finding friends, and now it's doing the work. Here goes my hands right here, and I'm just gonna let the system do what it does. Bam, 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 and just let it work and let it do and the system. Like I said, is see right there. It's already added one progress, and my hands are right here. So now basically, what the system is an algorithm of saying it does it in a way that makes it look like we're doing it ourselves. All right, guys. So it doesn't look that there's a system doing the work. So you gotta let it do what it does by itself. Don't touch it. I could go to if I want, I could go to a different screen while that's working. Keep doing what I'm doing. That's the best part about it. It's so powerful. And like I said, it's $47 one-time fee right now until the 19th. Now, when the 19th hits, they're gonna be doing a monthly fee, and they're gonna be adding more features. So it's always best to grab it right now and start using these features, man. I mean, it's so powerful. Got a lot of things on here that you can use. See, that's right here unavailable yet because they're gonna be doing some more features like video marketing, go live boot camp, or you could become an affiliate where you get a 50% commission out of it. I mean, it's so powerful, guys. You don't want to miss out on this. And look at this. And this once they go on it, they're gonna click on. They're gonna be coming on here. So now I'm going to show you that now that I got this platform, I actually added that feature on here. Right, I'm gonna go into my page. I actually added it. Now I can add it into my page, my personal brand, because once you get the system, you're gonna have your own personal branded page. And then you can do sub domains too. So like, and then it's gonna be right here. See, I just added it on there. So anybody that clicks on that and buys the system, then I get a commission out of it. So once you get the system and you get the platform too, if you want to go ahead and get that system, get the platform, we can take it for a whole different level, guys. I'm going to teach you how to be able to brand yourself. You already see how many targets I get and how many people goes into my website. So just imagine now that I put this on there, it's done data. I'm gonna get so many people. So now let me go back to my website to where it's working. You see right now at 9, I already got 9 people. See, 10 requests is right there. That's simple. So now while we're doing that, let me go ahead. So now I got 10 people right now friend requests to add to my friend list. And now these are people that I'm targeting. No man, I'm targeting art entrepreneurs, art marketers. That way, if I could go ahead and target them later on, talk to them through my messenger right here. And the like buttons too. You can click on the like buttons, and you can't like fan pages, but you can like everybody on your personal page. Now, once you click on that, this is what's gonna happen. Your messenger is gonna open up, right? So now you gotta click it again, and what's gonna happen is a toolbar is gonna open up, and this was going to open up right here. So now the features about this is that when it says broadcast, these are for members that are already your friends that you already talk to and stuff like that. And this one right here is for members that are new members that they just joined, and you want to go ahead and send them a quick message. So you want to use this feature just for new members, but you want to keep this at 20 or 40 people that you can send at a time. And the best part about it is that you can add more messages, right? You can add more messages, and that way it don't look like you're sending everybody the same message. Like you'll send this message, will send to the first person, the second person, is all first, second, third, fourth, first, second. You know what I mean? Like that. It's just algorithm, and that's the way this works. And then this one, the same thing. You could add 100 people here before and after. So if I send something to 10 people right now, then I want to do an after where I send 10 more messages to after that time frame. So guys, I'm just gonna leave you with that because I gotta get some rest for tomorrow. Got a few things I gotta do. So guys, God bless. And hopefully this message was helpful. So like I said, I'm gonna put the description down below. Just go ahead and click on it. If you're gonna see a platform, you just go ahead and go into my platform. You're gonna be able to see it right below on the video. Just click on it. And once you join, go ahead and send me the message that you joined. I'm gonna leave my phone number on there too. That way you can go ahead and call me and we can take this to a whole different level. God bless, and hope to see you on the team, man. I mean, I'm here to help you out. I'm not here to hurt you. All right, guys. So hopefully this was helpful, and hopefully we can help you build your business.